Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of glam budget-friendly wall decor items. And so what you're going to need some Bling Wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now, you're also going to need some Floral diamond wrap. This is from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 4 of these square mirrors. You'll need 2 of these octagonal mirrors. You're going to need a large piece of foam board. In this case, I'll be using my scrap foam that's already been cut to size for the mirror. So you'll need a large piece of foam board from Dollar Tree as well. And also from Dollar Tree, you're going to need some kind of frame. This is a mirrored frame, a frame that a mirror was in. But what I'm going to keep this for is because you see here, it has 2 of these little hanging pieces on it, and I'll need both of those. So you'll need something like this from Dollar Tree just for the hooks, or you could use command hooks. I will be using hot glue on my project. But if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. If I decide to use any additional items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these budget-friendly and elegant wall mirrors turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. You could certainly do a pair of these as I have. You could do a trio or even more. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.